Hello, welcome to Inventory Management System software. At top you see the retail logo of that brand, and in the background you see the picture of a particular store. So at first you see the sign in page. You have to enter using the username and the password. Let's say you enter the wrong username and password, and you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, there's a hover effect that's added on here. So the site says wrong user ID or password. Let's continue this for a couple of more times. On the third try, it says no more try, and you click on OK, the page exits. So again, you need to log in, or rather you need to find that particular page. So you again go back to that particular page. The next thing is that it's a responsive site. It's entirely responsive. So once you reduce the size, so you can see this is a responsive page. Next, let's enter the correct credentials and sign in. Then you see the stock details. So at first we have done only for garments. The model can be extended to a couple of other databases. So the first thing you'll see is the enter new stock details. Here the stock ID, all the components, that's 11 components have been made required or compulsory to be entered. In the stock ID, you see there's a tooltip on which it says that it has to be started with S followed by 3 digits. So let's enter 1. Next comes the supplier ID. Here the tooltip says it has to start with the pattern SUPP followed by 3 digits. Next is the supplier name. Next is the stock description. Let's say it's tie product. The cost price is for one particular item. So let's say the cost price is 300 and the estimated selling price per item is 500. And let's say today there has been 8 new stocks that's added into the system. So the total cost price becomes 2400 and the total estimated selling price becomes 4000. The brand name, let's say it's Raymond's, and the size, let's say it's M. Here again you see the font has been maintained uniformly and the hover effect has the same color combinations. If you click on reset, the entire form gets reset. Let's try out with some wrong credentials. If we say there are 4 digits, it has to be 3 digits followed by S. So it shows you must use the correct format. So let's say we do that here. Here let's say we don't put the correct string matching. So again there's a checking that shows you must use the correct format. So again we do that. And now let's get in. Next comes a display message. The display message shows the record has been successfully inserted and it's displayed in green color. Green color means the record has actually been successfully put into the database. If it was a red colored message, that means there was some error. Here again you have the hover effect. And let's view the existing stock. Now, this was the stock that we entered just now, that is from the stock ID S129. This is the 7th record that's got inserted into the database. Interestingly, this is not sorted on 1, 2, 3. It's not sorted on the serial number, but it's sorted on the number of quantities left. This helps the inventory stock manager to check which quantities are really short in the inventory and he can order them immediately, and the ones that are already full appears lower down the order like 12, 10 and 8. So this is one of the interesting feature, and we have a hover effect on the row that we select. So the next feature that we have is the edit feature and the delete feature. So let's start with the edit feature. Let's say we want to edit this record. For stock ID S129, we want to edit this record. Let's go to edit and we see the update stock window. In the update stock window, we can edit any one of the 11 components. Let's say we want to edit this from Raymond's to make this to Bata product. And let's say from S129, we make S123 or S126 and we submit it. So again, the display message shows that the record has been successfully updated. So at first we saw that the record was successfully inserted. Now it shows in green that the record has been successfully updated. And we click on OK. So let's see, is it actually successfully updated? Yes, it is. It shows Bata, earlier it was Raymond. So this has really been reflected into the database. Now let's say we want to delete the record. So we click on delete and again it shows in green that the record has been successfully deleted. Let's see if it actually been reflected in the database. Yes, it is. That record number 7 has actually disappeared from the database. So we see that there is an entry feature, edit feature, delete feature and updation feature. And finally, we see whether we can have a session expiry concept for the servlet. So let's get here. We want to edit this record save. And from here, if we keep the window inactive for 100 seconds, then the servlet session times out and we go into another page, that's timeout.jsp, from where we again need to re-log in into our inventory management software system as an admin. Yeah, so 100 seconds gone and here we see that the servlet session has expired. That servlet session is timed out, it shows in red, and again we need to log in to our system as an admin with the right credentials. So this is how the inventory management system software works. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.